Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Ridge Raceway here in Shelton, Washington, where today we're finally on the Ducati Streetfighter for its maiden voyage here at Laguna, or the Ridge. Just checking out, smoking a little bit from the exhaust heat shield still. But this will be our very first session out on the Ducati, and well, I'm gonna hope for the best here. I'm gonna hope for the best. Now, if you guys haven't already, if you guys aren't subscribed to this channel, woo, you guys are missing out. You guys definitely got to hit that subscribe button. Of course, smash the like button, and then ring that bell notification. Giving you future notifications of videos every other day on our channel. That's right, we have videos every other day. And so today we're at the Ridge Raceway. And this is the very first time I have been on the Ducati here at the Ridge. So we're gonna get as always, you guys know, I'm gonna first warm up these tires, get a little comfortable on this bike. I'm pretty comfortable on this bike, and we're gonna get comfortable with the gearing. Hopefully the gearing's gonna be about the same as the S1000 single R. Oh boy, I'm excited to be on this thing. Now, you guys have clearly seen the SC Project exhaust video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. I think I'm going to be replacing it. I think I have found an exhaust to replace it. So, you guys will have to stay tuned. Gonna get some heat in these tires, but I want to get this thing. I've text Shiv, and I want to get this thing out on the dyno as it sits to see where we're sitting at horsepower wise, because I honestly think we've lost some horsepower on this bike with putting this on. All right, so gonna start to get a little better pace pickup. We're going to try to pay attention to our gearing. Should be pretty much the same. That we're running on the S1000. Still trying to get a feel for it. not too bad at all. I don't think I have my traction control up enough. I think I gotta get this traction control up a little bit higher. I'm still very surprised. Bogdan even said it. She's like, everyone is so takes that top corner. At such a slow pace. Turned in way too early for that one. Way too early. Yeah, I overbroke for that one. That was my bad. Way overbroke. Or it didn't break fast enough, I guess you could say. Rear suspension's not liking that little spot. Let these guys by. Hey, look, this is what it's like to make this turn. I know I was holding those guys up, so let them go. Whew. I'll tell you, this bike is a much more of a workout than the S1000. Yeah, the S1000 is just so smooth. I am really starting to enjoy that bike. Don't get me wrong, I love this guy, but such an animal. Whew. This one. What a workout, boys. Woo. This thing is such an animal on the throttle. I mean, it just gets up there so much harder. Like the braking, I'm having to brake a lot harder than I was on the S1000. Because just the acceleration, I'm definitely getting a higher speed. So the braking markers are making more sense, so to speak. Into second because I think I'm going to get better drive out of here. I don't think go up to 4. I think second and then third, ride it out. too bad. Not too bad. A little bit of new learning, because this bike, the power is different. It lays down much different, much faster, of course. So yeah, so it's taking a little bit to learn the two different bikes. Thunderhill, I'm pretty comfortable with, so I know that, so I can hop on any bike and ride Thunderhill. But to hop on two big bikes and run this thing, I don't know. So I think I'm gonna turn up the wheelie control just a tad. And I don't know where everything's at, so. So my good friend Lindsay is here. She actually lives here in the area. I grew up here in Olympia, so we're gonna pull over there and say hello to her, and we'll watch Bogner run this this session. So come over here and watch her have a little fun. Nice S1000M. But thank you guys for sticking around. It's a good little session. Definitely, let's see, adjustment wise, traction control, wheelie control, yeah, so we're at 1, so I'm going to take that up to 4. Engine braking, ABS fixed. All right, so I think that's all I'm going to change here. So not too bad, not too bad. Let's look at the tires. Tire pressures, pretty much what we run at Thunderhill. Front looks good. Back definitely looks all right. So there we are. Thank you guys for sticking around here at the ridge. This is like the baby corkscrew is what they call this, coming down off of here. It's pretty crazy, pretty big run, but we'll watch Bogner run this session and see how she does, and then head over to the pit. But make sure you guys do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, ring the bell notification. We'll be out on the ridge a couple more times here on the S1000 or on the Streetfighter. And then stay tuned, because we'll be changing out this exhaust once again. So make sure you guys do the normal, but we'll see you guys next video. Say goodbye to everybody. Goodbye, everybody. See you guys next video. Bye, guys.